Hi everyone, it's Mary, Cajun DIY Diva. I have another hotel room tour. We are at the Perdido Beach Resort in Orange Beach, Alabama. I am in a queen angle room, which means the view, we are on the outside in the West Tower, and the view is an angle view of the Gulf of Mexico. You get a little bit better view at this hotel if you stay in a room that has the pool view, because that will give you the full view of the Gulf and pool. So here's the room. There's a safe, pretty good size refrigerator. There's your ice bucket, Keurig coffee maker, which is always nice. You can bring your extra K-cups if you want. They provide a few. There's a little bit of storage there under this little wet bar. Here's the bathroom. No bathtub, just a stand-up shower. That's how the toilet was when we walked in the room. Nice big vanity with all your towels. They are doing the COVID procedure, so the maids do not come in, but you can call and ask for extra towels and toiletries and whatever you need. Two queen size beds, which are nice and comfy. Very nice. Here's storage, drawers to put your clothes, and combined with a little desk area. There are USB ports. There's one right there by the desk. There's also USB ports. That is I didn't know what it was at first, but we figured out it is a desk lamp. I don't understand the style. There is a sheet of paper that says "Pardon our progress," which means they're probably working on something at the hotel. There's some extra seating there. This is the closet, is more of a cupboard, but there is some storage in there. Not a whole lot of room in the closet, but it does have the ironing board, an extra blanket in there. As I said, seating, and a very small balcony, very small little bar stools with this built-in little kind of like a bar table on the balcony, but it's a kind of a compact balcony. So, but there you can see, get a nice view of the Gulf of Mexico. So that's the money shot. Can't beat that. Gotta love that view. It's mid-October, so while we're taking this video, so it's actually really beautiful weather right now. Couldn't ask for better. Not hot, just nice and breezy at the moment. They do give you these bands to wear when you go down to the pool area. Oh, and I wanted to show you, it's a sliding kind of a barn door for the bathroom that separates that little bar area from the bathroom. And there's a closer look at the shower. And here are the products that are provided. It's always a boost when you get mouthwash, isn't it? And there is the sunset. And this is straight. The sunset just got better and better. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.